Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be explaining you the Grassfire algorithm, which was part of my assignment. As we can see, according to the first question, I have to theoretically explain how the Grassfire algorithm works, and according to the question number two, I have to write a program in Python, uh, preferably and or in Java. So I have used written my code in Java. So first of all, I will be theoretically explaining you how a Grassfire algorithm works, and then I will be explaining to you how the code works. So let's hop on to it. As we can see that there is a one starting point and one end point, right? But it moves. So and there are obstacles. So in Grassfire algorithm, the basic function of Grassfire algorithm is to find the most shortest way that it moves from. So, like as we can see that after one, there are two possible way outs. So it can choose towards its right or to go bottom. But that won't create any problem. But if it goes to the bottom, it has two options again. That is 2, 3 that goes from bottom and that is to its right. So according to me, the most reliable option would be to move from move to the right and then go to bottom, or it can also go from bottom to its right. That doesn't matter. After that, it will go to the to its right and again to its right till it gets to the fourth and fifth position. After getting the fifth position, uh, it has very possible way outs, but they none of them will lead us to our destination point. So we will be going to the next position, that is upwards, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, and after reaching ninth to gets to the its destination point, it will move towards left, that is 10, 11, 12, and 13. So that's the basic functionality of our Grassfire algorithm. And now I will be sharing you my code. Just give me a second, guys. So here we can see that there is a main class uh, that is, and in the main class we have initialized we have not initialized, but we have with initialization, we have also declared its values. Uh, so we have created a grid that has 8 rows and 8 columns, which will be of square type, and there are total of 17 obstacles, and all these positions are similar to that of our assignment, as I can show it to you here. Like these black box, they will be shown as -1 because I have not created a graphical user interface. Rather, I have created a matrix. And according to it, similarly, we will have the starting point at its at this point will be a starting point, that is 3. If this the square that I am pointing to you right now is 0 comma 0, and similarly this will be at 3 comma 1. So these are the position of our starting point, and these are the position of our destination point. And this here helps us find the path for helps Grassfire algorithm to find its shortest path. Now now we have created a method called generate grid. This function initializes a grid and marks obstacle position with -1, as I have told you before. As you can see it here, I have also created a comment. Uh, these comments are really useful, and you should also use them, as It helps in the readability of the code. And now I will be hopping onto the Grassfire algorithm method. This is the heart of our algorithm. Uh, it utilizes a queue. Uh, it uses a queue to traverse the grid, marking each cell with its distance from the start, as I showed you in my presentation, right? Mm, Once the algorithm reaches its destination, we backtrack. Our mm, Once the algorithm reaches the destination, we backtrack from the destination to the start to find the shortest path. Which is done by uh, these lines. I don't have much time, so I will be just moving on further right now. These points will be explaining to you like how there are like multiple points that are like there are two positions that it can go. So that's basically what uh, this method does. It decides its neighboring uh, positions that it can choose from, and from backtrack method. mm, it helps us tell which is the shortest path of our uh, grid. Finally, we have our print method. The print method helps us in printing the path of our grid, shortest path, and these action and the point class represents the coordinates of each grid. So now I will be running the program and showing it to you. As we can see that our starting point is here and our destination point is here. So once it goes from second and third, it moves downwards, that is 4, and then from 4 it chooses to move to its right, that is fifth and sixth, and after getting to a sixth position, it moves upward to gets to its reliable position. And so that's basically how this program works. Thank you for listening to me. Mm, See you next time.